Hi everyone, hope you're doing okay. Today we're going to be learning about plurals, and we've done lots of this in school, so I'm sure you'll be really good at this today. So remember, plural means if you've got more than one of something. And sometimes we can just put an S on the end of our word to make it really simple. So if we've got the root word and then we add in the suffix S, we don't need to change anything. We just need to write the S on the end of our word. So pigs, chairs, books and cakes. Fairly straightforward with that one. But if a word ends in sh, ch, z, ks, z, s, os, then we have to add es. Again, we don't need to lose any letters, we don't need to replace them, we don't need to drop them. We just put es on the end if it ends in any of those sounds. So we change class to classes, box to boxes, dish to dishes, and catch to catches. I want you to have a go at these words yourself. So pause the video, write the word, but add es onto the end. Maybe you could have a go at putting some of them into a sentence. Now, if a word ends in a Y, then we have to change the Y to an I, and we have to drop the Y and replace it with an IES. So if we had cherry, we'd have to change that to cherries. And as you can see, there's no Y in cherries. It's replaced with the I and then the ES. Welly to wellies, party to parties, and cry to cries. So again, we've done lots of this in class. This is all just recapping to make sure we know these rules for when we're writing. So I want you to have a go at these words. So remember, write the word, but we replace the Y with the I before we then put ES. Pause the video and have a go at these words. Now let's have a go at these sentences. So pause the video, have a go at reading them, find out what the missing word is. The words are in the corner here just to help you a little bit. Pause the video and have a go. The children liked playing outside in their... It was wellies. I'm sure you got that one right. Tom and Sam ate 6 ice lollies between them. Yeah, it sounds a bit like we could have eaten 6 ice creams, doesn't it? But that wouldn't have been one of our words from our rules. There were 2 something running around in the field. 2 bunnies running around in the field. And Anne and her friend went to pick some daisies. Hope you did okay with that one, Nottingham. So this time, if a word ends in a F or FE, we have to change it to a V and then add ES. Shelf would change to shelves, half to halves, and wife to wives. Okay, so if you'll notice in the plural word, the F or the FE isn't there, it's a V with ES. So have a go at these words on your own. Again, maybe have a go at putting a couple into a sentence just to help you. So we replace the F or the FE with a V and then ES. Pause the video and have a go. Now you're going to put them into some sentences. So again, read the sentence, see which word fits, and then you'll find out the answer. So pause the video and have a go. We all wore something in the winter to keep warm. We all wore our scarves in the winter to keep warm, don't we? In autumn, there's something fall off the trees. What falls off the trees? The leaves. I could hear something howling in the distance. It was wolves. And Dad bought some of bread from the shop. We call it loaves of bread from the shop. All right. So if you need a little bit more practice with that, perhaps put some of those words into sentences to help you write them again, just so you're looking at the rules. See if you can think of some other words. Okay, your grown-ups might have other words to do, but I'm sure you've done fantastic at that. Well done, Nottingham. See you soon.